Good morning. My name is Alabilu Atobilova, and I'm here with my group members to present the database on inventory management system, which talks about the requirements of an employee in a business activity. And I'm passing on to my next group member. Thank you.
My name is Akimami Tsumishi, and I'll be taking on from where my colleagues stop. So I'll be showing you how we made the code on inventory management. So first of all, we use the elements create database inventory management. Then we use the to create table. We use the element called create table. Then under the table we have employee ID, which uses primary key. Then also under the table we have first name. It uses varchars 50 words. It cannot exceed 50 words. Then last name varchar also cannot exceed 50 words. Then employee department, it also uses varchars cannot exceed 30 words. Then employee extension varchars cannot exceed 30 words also. Then finally the employee mail, which uses varchar but cannot exceed 20 words. So I'll be passing on to my next colleague.
My name is Alibayo Victor, and I'm here to talk about how to create a table for database for inventory. We have employees ID and employees ID, which is from number 8. We have the employees ID column 1, which is 1 to 3, 1 to 5, 1 to 7, 1 to 9, and 1 to 8, and 1 to 6. I have the column 2, which is the employee's first name. We have Olushola, then David, then Victor, then Toby, David, then Tumishi. We have the column 3, which talks about employees' last name, which is Bodun, Omarege, Adibayo, Alabi, Adiwoye, Akin, Nemeji. We have the employees' department for the column 4, which is finance, accounting, sales, production, marketing, administration. Then we have the employees' extension, which is manager, cashier, expenses, janitor, assistant manager, secretary. We have the column 6, which talks about the employees' mail, which is olushola@gmail.com, David omoriga@gmail.com, Adebayo Victor@gmail.com, Alabi Desmond @gmail.com, David Adewoye@gmail.com, then Akintumishe@gmail.com. Thank you, and I will pass it to my next. Cool.
Yes, sir. My name is Bodun Ubishala, and I'll be taking on from where my colleague stopped. Having running this code, I'll be talking about the input of the code. Uh, we have the inputs, the output rather, of the first row, um, column employee ID, which you can see 1, 2, 3. We have the first name of the employee, which is Olushola, the last name of the employee, which is Bodun, and then the departments of the employee, which is finance, and then the extension of the employee, which is the manager. Then we have the employee's email, which is bishola@gmail.com. And then the second row for the employee's ID, which is 125. And the first name for that employee is David. The last name is Omoregi. The employee's ID is accounting. The employee's extension is the cashier. And we have the employee's name, which is David Omoregi at gmail.com. We have the third row for the employee's ID, which is 126. And then the first name for the employee is Tumishe. The last name is Akima Meji. The department of the employee is the sales. And we have the extension of the employee, which is the expenses. And then we have the employee's email address, which is Adebayo Victor at gmail.com. And then we have the first row of the employee's ID, which is 127, which is whose first name is Victor, the last name is Adibayo, and then the employee's department is production. The employee's extension is the janitor, and while the employee's mail is Alabi Desmond alabidesmond@gmail.com. We have the fifth row for the employee's ID, which is 128. The first name of the employee is David. The last name is Adebayo. While the employee's department is the marketing, and the employee's extension is the assistant manager. While the employee's email is davidadewoye@gmail.com. We have the last row for the employee's ID, which is 129. The first name of the employee is Toby. Last name where we can see is Alabi, and then the employee's department is the administration. We have the employee extension, which is the secretary, and we have the email of the employee, which is akintomishi@gmail.com. And so this is mainly the output of the code we run so far. So I'll be passing on to the next colleague. Thank you very much.
My name is Omega David, and I'll be talking about the head of the inventory database management. Now, there are three tables there in the database. The first one, the employee assets, the employee table, the IT asset inventory, and the IT asset and the asset type. Now, the employee asset, the main key is the asset ID, and there are some other foreign keys that the employee ID, which is there. And same thing applies to the employee. The main key, the employee ID, the same with the asset ID, the IT assets inventory, the main key, the IT assets inventory ID, and stuff like that. Now, for the employee assets and the employee, they want to validation. And for the employee assets to the IT assets and the employees, they want to make validation. The same goes to the assets type and the IT assets. They want to want the same go to the IT assets and to the IT asset inventory. They want to validation. Thank you.